Welcome back to another episode of Penny for Your Thoughts. It's your boy Chuck, and today we back with another sneaker review. In this episode of Penny for Your Thoughts, we're talking about a collaboration from Adidas and one of the most famous producers of all time, Pharrell Williams. Adidas and Pharrell Williams have been coming out with a bunch of NMD HUs for the past 2 years in a bunch of different colorways. I was able to get my hands on a pair from my man Chris. He just copped the black with the gun bottom sole, Infinite Species joint, so I had to bring it to the channel so you guys can get a look at it. But before we do that, I'm gonna need for you guys to hit that subscribe button, hit that bell icon so you guys can be notified when we drop new content to the channel. And also, don't forget to follow us on our social media accounts on Instagram and on Twitter at PENNY_4YT. But I know y'all tired of me talking. I be doing too much talking sometimes. But let's get to this shoe. Here you guys go, the Pharrell Williams NMD HUs, black with the gum sole, Infinite Species joints. Let's get straight into the shoe. As you can see, on the right foot it says Infinite, on the left foot it says Species. Let's put the right foot down for a second. Alright, the whole shoe is pretty much black. It's like a black mesh all around the whole shoe, which keeps the shoe breathable, really comfortable. Also has the Ultra Boost down here in black, which is always a good look. The Ultra Boost is always comfortable, and it also looks good in black. Also, has the cages here on the sides where you can put the shoestrings through if you want to, mix and match. Got the 3M laces on here. On the back panel, it has 3M here with the HU logo for the Pharrell Williams shoe. On the other side, you have the cages here. You can put the shoestrings through too. As you can see, it comes with a great pair of shoestrings. Also, these are 3M. Has a black sole. A black Ultra Boost on this side also with the gum sole, which really pops. If you know a lot about sneakers, I know I probably mentioned on this channel a lot. A cheat code if you're making a shoe of your own and you want to have the shoe pop out a lot, you can always put a gum sole on the bottom. The gum sole always makes the shoe pop. Remember, you heard it here first. A penny for your thoughts. But definitely makes the shoe pop. This is a real simple silhouette. A lot of people like the silhouette because it's comfortable, easy to put on. You could do a lot of things in these. You could wear them, you could dress them down, you could dress them up. I seen Pharrell do a bunch of different looks in these, man. Pharrell's one of the fashion icons of the hip hop community. He did a bunch of different looks in these right here. These is, fire, man. I'm not really a big fan of this shoe, but it's clean. It's clean. I get the look he was going for, and it's just something a little different. Different is good sometimes. So I see where he was going with these, man. I really like the 3M lace on here. The 3M lace is pretty dope, and it's a real comfortable shoe, man. This is something that you can wear all day. Guarantee you can put this on and wear this shoe all day. It's clean, man. Like I said, the left foot says Species on it. The right foot says Infinite, so Infinite Species, as you can see. Let's put the left foot down. Let's get into the right foot, man. Yeah, man, pretty much the same thing. Got the cages here, got the black Ultra Boost here, got the breathable mesh here, got Infinite here, 3M laces still. On the back panel, we got the 3M back panel right here with the Adidas logo right here, which is clean. Goes with 3M laces, man. This is just pretty much overall just a clean shoe, man. I seen these in a bunch of different colorways that came out. This is probably one of the best ones that I like because it's really simple. It's just black with the gum bottom, like I mentioned earlier in the video. Gum bottom is a cheat if you're making the shoe. If you're making the shoe, you put gum bottom on the bottom, it's gonna pop. So let me know what you guys think. If you guys think this shoe is fresh, man, leave it in the comments below. If you guys think, I'm bugging saying I'm not really feeling this shoe, man, leave in the comments below. All comments are welcome. Which I know what time it is. It's time for me to rate this shoe, man. And out of 5 pennies, man, I'm gonna have to give this joint, man. I'm gonna have to give these, man, 3 out of 5 pennies. I'm not really a fan of these, man. I just don't like the look of the shoe. The look of the shoe is not really appealing to me. I'm more of a shoestrings coming up from here, going into the shoe. I'm more that type of sneaker person, man. But to each his own. If y'all like these, man, leave in the comments below. If y'all think I'm tripping, giving these 3 out of 5 pennies, let me know. Leave in the comments below. But with that being said, we keeping it 100, not a penny less. Peace.